Ladies and gentlemen, as we grow older, one of the greatest gifts we can give ourselves is independence, the ability to walk with confidence, stand without struggle, and enjoy life without relying on others for every small movement. But for many seniors, leg weakness, poor balance, and slow mobility begin to steal that independence away. The good news? Science shows that what you eat every single day can dramatically strengthen your legs, even well into your 70s, 80s, and 90s. Yes, you heard that right. The right foods can help rebuild muscle, boost circulation, support strong bones, and keep you active far longer than you may think. So today, we're diving into the powerful nutrients that help seniors maintain mobility and live with strength. And it all starts with one simple food you can easily add to your daily routine. As we grow older, one of the first changes many people notice is a gradual weakening of the legs. Tasks that once felt simple, standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or walking long distances, begin to require more effort. But this decline doesn't happen overnight. It is the result of a steady process that begins silently inside the body, often starting as early as age 50. This process is called sarcopenia, which simply means age-related muscle loss. And believe it or not, the average person loses about 1% of muscle mass every single year after midlife, if nothing is done to prevent it. Why does this happen? One of the biggest reasons is decreased physical activity. As people age, they naturally move less, maybe because of work changes, lifestyle shifts, or minor aches and pains. But the body is designed to respond to movement. When muscles are not used regularly, they shrink. When they shrink, they weaken. And when they weaken, even simple movements begin to feel challenging. It's a cycle that continues unless we take action to break it. Another major factor is poor nutrition, especially low protein intake. Muscles depend on amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair and grow. But many seniors unintentionally eat less protein than they need. This could be due to a reduced appetite, difficulty chewing certain foods, or simply not knowing how much protein the body requires with age. The truth is, older adults actually need more protein than younger people because the body becomes less efficient at using it. Without enough of the right nutrients, the muscles of the legs cannot rebuild themselves properly, which accelerates weakness. Circulation also plays a big role. As arteries stiffen and blood flow decreases with age, the muscles in the legs receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. Poor circulation makes it harder for muscles to recover after effort and contributes to fatigue, heaviness, and even pain during walking. For many seniors, this leads to further inactivity, again feeding into the cycle of weakness. Additionally, the nervous system begins to change with age. Nerves send signals that tell muscles when to contract and how to move. When these signals slow down or weaken, the muscles cannot respond as quickly or efficiently. This leads to slower reaction times, poorer balance, and an increased risk of falling. Hormonal changes also play a part. Levels of hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline with age. These hormones are vital for maintaining muscle mass and supporting tissue repair. As they drop, it becomes even harder for the body to keep muscles strong without deliberate daily support. But here's the important message. Leg strength does not have to decline sharply with age. Many seniors in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s maintain excellent mobility by understanding these factors and taking steps to counter them. With the right nutrients, daily habits, and consistent routines, the legs can stay strong, stable, and capable, allowing seniors to keep their independence and continue enjoying life. When it comes to maintaining strong legs throughout the senior years, one nutrient stands out above all the rest: protein. While vitamins and minerals are extremely important, nothing replaces the power of protein in rebuilding, repairing, and maintaining muscle, especially the large muscles of the legs. And the surprising truth is this: most seniors are not getting nearly enough of it. Protein is made up of amino acids, which act like construction workers for the body. Every time you stand, walk, lift, or even shift your weight, tiny muscle fibers break down and must be rebuilt. This is a normal, healthy process, one that keeps your muscles strong and functional. But the rebuilding can only happen if your body has enough amino acids available. Without them, the body starts pulling protein from your muscles, causing them to shrink and weaken over time. What makes this especially important for older adults is that the body becomes less efficient at absorbing and using protein with age, A serving of protein that would have easily supported muscle growth at age 30 might not be enough at age 70 or 80. This is why many seniors experience rapid muscle loss, even if they think they're eating normally. Their muscles are simply not getting enough raw material to stay strong. In addition to muscle repair, protein also supports balance, mobility, and stability. The legs contain some of the largest and strongest muscles in the entire body: the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. These muscles need more protein to maintain strength than smaller muscles, like those in the arms or hands. That's why a low-protein diet often shows up in the legs first. Difficulty rising from a chair, unsteady walking, slower climbing of stairs, or general heaviness and fatigue. Protein also works hand in hand with circulation. Good circulation delivers amino acids to muscles efficiently. When seniors consume enough protein daily, the body is better prepared to send nutrients to the legs, leading to stronger muscles and less soreness after movement. Some amino acids even support the production of nitric oxide, which helps widen blood vessels and improve overall blood flow. Another key point is that protein helps maintain bone health, which is essential for preventing fractures. While calcium and vitamin D get most of the attention, protein is needed to form the structural framework of bones. Without enough protein, bones can weaken just like muscles do. Despite all these benefits, studies consistently show that many adults over 60 consume far less protein than their bodies need. This often happens because of smaller appetites, difficulty preparing meals, or the belief that eating too much protein is unnecessary. But for seniors, it's the opposite. The body benefits greatly from steady, daily intake of high-quality protein sources. Whether it comes from food like eggs, yogurt, fish, legumes, or lean meats, or from simple additions like nuts, seeds, or dairy, protein is the cornerstone of strong legs at any age. When seniors make this nutrient a daily priority, they often experience more energy, greater mobility, and a noticeable improvement in leg strength, sometimes in just a few weeks, now that we understand how essential protein is for preserving and rebuilding leg strength. Let's talk about one of the most powerful foods seniors can eat every day to support strong, healthy leg muscles: eggs. Simple, affordable, easy to prepare, and packed with nutrients. Eggs are one of the most complete muscle-building foods available, and they are especially beneficial for seniors in their 60s, 70s, 80s, and even 90s. Why eggs? Because each egg contains high-quality, easily absorbed protein. Many foods contain protein, but not all proteins are created equal. The protein in eggs is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. Even more importantly, the amino acids in eggs are absorbed efficiently by the body, making them ideal for older adults whose digestive systems may not process protein as well as they used to. But the benefits go far beyond just protein. Eggs are rich in vitamin B12, a nutrient that supports nerve health. This is crucial for seniors because nerve signals control movement, balance, coordination, and muscle contractions. When B12 levels drop, which is very common in older adults, legs can feel weak, numb, or unstable. Eating eggs daily helps support healthy nerve function, which directly affects the strength and responsiveness of the leg muscles. Eggs are also loaded with vitamin D. Especially if you choose fortified varieties, vitamin D plays a major role in muscle function and bone strength. Many seniors experience vitamin D deficiency due to limited sun exposure, and this deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, balance problems, and even a higher risk of falls. Adding eggs to the daily diet provides a steady supply of this muscle-supporting nutrient. Another valuable nutrient found in eggs is choline. Choline helps the brain communicate with the muscles, improving coordination and reaction time. For seniors, this means more stable walking, better control during movement, and a lower likelihood of stumbling. Let's also talk about energy. As people age, fatigue becomes more common, especially in the legs. Eggs contain natural fats that provide long-lasting energy without causing blood sugar spikes. This steady energy supply helps keep the legs active and reduces the tired, heavy feeling that can limit daily movement. Perhaps one of the biggest advantages of eggs is their versatility. Seniors can enjoy them in many ways: boiled, scrambled, poached, or mixed into simple meals. Even 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a meaningful difference. They're easy to chew, easy to digest, and easy to prepare, even for those with limited appetite or cooking ability. But the biggest reason eggs are so effective for seniors is their combination of protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, all working together to strengthen muscles, support the nerves, enhance balance, and maintain strong bones. Few foods deliver this much leg-supporting nutrition in a single serving. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet is one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your legs strong, stable, and active, no matter your age. When paired with light daily movement, this single food can significantly improve leg function, mobility, and overall quality of life. Strong legs are not just about muscle size, they're about how well your entire body works together. Mobility, balance, stability, and confidence all depend on the combined health of your muscles, nerves, circulation, and bones. And the surprising truth is that better nutrition directly improves all of these areas, giving seniors the freedom to move with ease, avoid falls, and stay independent for years longer. Let's start with the foundation, muscle function. When seniors consume enough protein, vitamins, and minerals, muscles repair themselves faster and grow stronger. Stronger muscles make everyday movements, standing up, walking, climbing stairs, and carrying groceries, feel noticeably easier. Without adequate nutrients, muscles tire quickly, feel heavy, and lose the ability to support the body's weight. This is one of the main causes of slow mobility in older adults. Good nutrition keeps muscles energized, responsive, and stable. Next, let's talk about balance. Balance relies heavily on leg strength, but also on the nerves that send signals from the feet and legs to the brain. Nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3s support nerve health. When nerves function well, your body reacts more quickly when you shift your weight or take a step. This reduces the risk of missteps, stumbles, and slow reaction times, major contributors to falls in seniors. Poor nutrition, on the other hand, can weaken nerve signaling, making it harder for the legs to respond in time to prevent a fall. Circulation is another essential component of mobility. Good blood flow ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the leg muscles efficiently. Many seniors struggle with poor circulation, leading to cold feet, heaviness, swelling, and pain during walking. But foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and amino acids help improve blood vessel health and support better blood flow. Improved circulation means the muscles receive more oxygen, recover faster, and feel less fatigued during movement. This alone can significantly improve walking speed and endurance. Nutrition also plays a key role in bone density, which becomes increasingly important with age. Nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and protein help maintain strong bones. When bones weaken, legs can no longer support the body effectively, leading to slower movement, discomfort, and an increased risk of fractures. A nutrient-rich diet strengthens the entire skeletal structure, enhancing both mobility and safety. Better nutrition even improves energy levels, which directly affects how much a senior moves throughout the day. When the body has the right fuel, it can stay active longer, building stronger muscles in the process. When energy is low, seniors move less, causing the muscles to weaken even more, a cycle that nutrition helps break. Finally, improved nutrition boosts confidence. When seniors feel steadier on their feet, they're more willing to walk, exercise, and engage in daily activities. This increased movement strengthens the legs even further, creating a positive cycle of improved mobility. In short, good nutrition isn't just about staying healthy. It's about staying mobile, independent, and active. Nourishing the body properly gives seniors the strength, balance, and stability they need to move safely and confidently every single day. Keeping your legs strong at any age, even into your 80s and 90s, isn't about doing intense workouts or following complicated routines. It's about creating simple, consistent daily habits that nourish your muscles, support your joints, improve your circulation, and keep your body moving. These everyday practices may seem small, but together, they form a powerful foundation for lifelong mobility and independence. The first habit is daily nutrition, especially protein-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, beans, fish, and nuts. Think of protein as your leg muscles' daily fuel supply. Without it, your muscles weaken. With it, they rebuild. Making sure each meal includes a source of protein helps your legs stay strong and capable. Hydration is equally important. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your joints lubricated, your circulation flowing, and your muscles functioning smoothly. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, cramping, and stiffness in the legs. The second habit is gentle, daily movement. You don't need heavy gym equipment or long workouts. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Simple activities such as walking around the house, marching in place, slow leg lifts, or stretching the calves and thighs help maintain muscle strength and flexibility. For many seniors, consistency is more effective than intensity. Light movement every day strengthens the legs far more than doing a challenging exercise once in a while. Movement also boosts circulation, helping nutrients reach the muscles and keeping the legs warm and energized. Another important habit is dedicating a few minutes each day to balance exercises. Balance naturally declines with age, but the good news is that it can be improved at any stage of life. Easy exercises, like standing on one foot while holding a chair, shifting weight from side to side, or slow heel-to-toe walking, help strengthen the stabilizing muscles in the legs and ankles. These simple habits reduce the risk of falls and increase confidence when moving around. Posture and body mechanics also matter. Many seniors develop poor posture from years of sitting or slouching, which weakens the core and puts extra strain on the legs. Practicing good posture, sitting tall, standing with weight evenly distributed, and avoiding long periods of sitting, supports better alignment and reduces pressure on the lower body. Even taking a short walk or stretching for 1 minute every half hour can relieve stiffness and support healthier leg function. One more powerful daily habit is prioritizing rest and recovery. Seniors often underestimate how important sleep is for muscle repair. During sleep, the body releases hormones that rebuild tissue, strengthen nerves, and recharge energy levels. Without adequate sleep, the legs may feel heavy, shaky, or weak. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, limiting caffeine late in the day, and creating a comfortable sleep environment all help support recovery. Lastly, staying socially and mentally engaged indirectly supports leg strength. Seniors who stay active in their communities, enjoy hobbies, or participate in gentle group activities tend to move more, feel more energized, and maintain stronger muscles. A positive mindset encourages daily movement and healthier choices. When combined, these simple habits, nutritious eating, daily movement, balance practice, good posture, proper hydration, and adequate rest, create a powerful routine that keeps the legs strong and the body active for life. Small steps done consistently lead to lasting strength, stability, and independence.